Hi, we're Brandon and Christine, and this is our tiny van Fern. She's a 2016 Ram Promaster 3500. She has the 159-inch wheelbase, non-extended, and then she's also got the high roof.
So when you first walk into the van, you see this big L-shaped bench. This is one of our favorite spots to really sit and hang out. This also doubles as a secondary bed, and it also is our dining table and our workspace as well. So we can set up two separate tables here, a smaller one, which extends with our foldable countertop to create one workstation, and then we have a bigger table here, which creates another workstation and is our dining table as well. And then above our bench seat area is some upper cabinets. So in these upper cabinets, this one here is like half kitchen, half toiletries. And then this one here is like a lot of work stuff. So we have camera gear, journals, and all that sort of thing as well. Moving along to this side, we have our kitchen area. So on this side is our propane cooktop and our sink. We have a barbecue tank just for our propane, which we use to cook all of our meals and that sort of thing. And then we also have a deep sink, and we have 40 gallons of fresh water, which is filled up from the back. And we have two 7-gallon gray water tanks, which are just like jerry cans, which are right underneath this, and we can just pull that out and empty it. Also underneath this area, we have our fridge. It's on 250-pound drawer slides. So it just pulls out and it opens up just like that. So it's just a fridge, no freezer compartment, but it works really well. It holds about a week's worth of food. On this side is more of like the kitchen area. We use this countertop for a lot of like chopping and that sort of thing. This countertop, we actually made this out of old pallets. So we ran it through a table saw, cut all the pieces, and put it in like the chevron pattern. And then we put a layer of epoxy on top to seal it up. And it's one of our favorite parts of the van. So we absolutely love it. And then below that, we have two huge drawers. So this one's kind of our kitchen drawer, has all of our utensils, our plates, our bowls. This one is our toiletry drawer, so has all of our toiletries and medicine and all that kind of thing. And then we also have down here, we have our pantry, so we have a ton of storage for all of our spices and all that sort of thing as well. And then last but not least in this is also our toilet. So we have a Nature's Head composting toilet, so that's where we use the bathroom. Easy as that. We also have our Chinese diesel heater here, which works really, really well. We have it on like the lowest setting a lot of times, and we're still sweating in here, so highly recommend that. And one more thing is our upper cabinet up here, and this is all of our kitchen stuff. So just some more food, plates, bowls, that sort of thing as well.
So one of the reasons we went with the Promaster high roof is I'm just under 6 feet and I can stand pretty comfortably even with the floor and the ceiling that we put in. And then the other reason we went with the Promaster is I am able to sleep widthwise in the back of our bed here. As you can see, we went with a fixed bed. We didn't want to have to deal with setting it up, taking it down. We just wanted to park somewhere, hop in bed. So I am able to sleep the long way comfortably with these little bump outs that we built in. They don't stick out on the outside of the bed. It's just right around the inside frame that just fits in there perfectly. We have a 6-inch mattress and then a 2-inch mattress topper. So 8 inches total, sleeps very comfortably. And then we installed this bunk window here just to create a nice cross draft with our Max Air fan and then the window on our sliding door. So we tend to leave this open a lot. And then also our dog Hops, she likes to lay here and look out the window. Up here is Christine's closet per se. So we keep all of our clothes up here. So she's got one, and then mine's in the back here. We use these little organizers that are supposed to be for socks, but we just kind of cut through them to make them wider, and it fits all of our t-shirts, shorts, stuff like that. They've definitely been a lifesaver since we hit the road. And then below me is Hops's crate. So she sleeps down in here, and we wanted to give her like her own little area. So she'll sleep there or she sleeps on the couch, but we wanted to give her kind of like her own little space to be comfortable at all times in case she wanted to go somewhere away from us.
So our bench seat also acts as a lot of storage. So in this area we have like shoes and our dog toys, dog food, that sort of thing. In this area is the tank for our diesel heater and just some more miscellaneous things that we have stored in there. But in this compartment under this section is actually our power system. So we went with a Goal Zero Yeti 3000X. So with that, we have 3 ways of charging that. We can charge it with a traditional plug. We have an alternator charger, which charges it while we're driving. And then we also have 300 watts of solar on the roof. The Goal Zero Yeti, we actually went with that because it's more of like a plug and play system. So it was super easy to install, and it has really great battery power. So it has 240 amp hours of lithium ion batteries in there. And then it also has like a built-in inverter and solar charge controller and that sort of thing. So we didn't need to buy all of those separate components as well. So we're really liking it. It's done wonders for us as well.
All right, so our garage isn't anything special, but it just kind of houses all the stuff that we don't use on a daily basis. For starters, we have our camping shower right here. It plugs right into our water source back there, and this is actually our only source for hot water. Our sink up front doesn't connect to our propane, so we don't have hot water in the sink. Normally we store the camping shower right in here, and then it just straps in just for safekeeping. Otherwise, I just have tools and our telescoping ladder just for maintenance on the van. Things break all the time. In the middle, we just keep kind of just miscellaneous type stuff that I said we don't use very often. And then on this side of the van, in this locker here, this is our 10-pound propane. So that connects up to the burner, and then also there's a hose that connects here for the hot water. And then behind that is our 40-gallon water tank. So we just fill it in through here with this hose. And we fill it up probably every week and a half, 2 weeks. We go through about 40 gallons.
All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching our tour. We really hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see some more of us, we're on all social media as The Wandering Wings, so feel free to follow us there.